Hey guys, welcome back to another problem solution video. Today we have yet another question here, and as always, let's first start off by reading the question. So, you can see here that ABCD is a rectangle, and lines DX, DY, and XY are drawn, where X is on AB, Y is on BC, and yeah. The area of triangle AXD is 5, and the area of triangle BXY is 4, and the area of triangle CYD is 3. Determine the area of the triangle DXY. So let's first label out all the areas. So we know that the area of this section is going to be 5. The area of this section is going to be 4. And the area of this section down here is going to be 3. Now we need to solve this part right here, dxy. What you can also really be able to see here is that dxy is just going to be equal to the entire area minus these 3 triangles in the corner. And so we can see, let's label this side DC as A, and this side AD as B. This means that this side here will have to be 10 over B. Now you might be asking, why is this? Well, because this side length here, multiplied by this side length here, has to be equal to 5 times 2, or 10. And so this has to be equal to 10 over B. Okay. And now the same thing from this side down here. Similarly, this side down here has to be equal to 6 over A. And now because this is 6 over A, we can label this side up here as B minus 6 over A. And this also means that this side here is going to be equal to A minus 10B. This is a B, by the way. Now, we can go on to solve for what AB is going to be equal to. So let's just look at this section right here. We can see that the area of the section, so 1 over 2 times A minus 10B, so one of the sides, times B minus 6 over A, which is the other side, should be equal to 4. So now we're just going to expand this and get rid of this by multiplying 2 on both sides of the equal sign to receive AB minus 6 minus 10 plus 60 over AB, and this is going to be equal to 8. So now we can move all of the things over to one side. So AB plus 60 over AB. So all the things related to AB on one side, and this is going to be equal to 24. And now what we're going to be doing here is that we're going to multiply both sides of the equal sign so that everything's still going to be equal to each other. We're going to multiply everything by AB. And after that, we're going to move the 24 over to this side. So we can then get here AB and in brackets squared minus 24AB plus 60 is going to be equal to 0. And now we're going to treat AB as a singular variable. So for example, with other quadratic equations where you just have x, so for example, x squared minus 4x plus 4, and you would factor x out, we're going to treat AB here as one variable, even though it's obviously 2. So we treat that as that, and we can see that using the quadratic formula here, AB is going to be equal to 24 plus 4 times square root 2, square root 21 over 2. And this is going to be equal to 12 plus 2 times square root 21. And as I said before earlier in the video, the area of dxy is just going to be the area of the entire rectangle minus these 3 smaller triangular regions. And now that we know that since this side is B and this side is A, it means that the area of the entire rectangle has to be equal to AB, or 12 plus 2 times square root 21. I should also make that a little bit more visible. Right, so now we need to see that the area of dxy. So I'll just say A for area, and I'll write triangle dxy. This is going to be equal to AB minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. And if you didn't know, 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 12, which perfectly gets rid of this weird integer here. And this means that we're just left with 2 square root 21. So that means that the answer to this problem is going to be 2 times square root 21. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any other way to solve this problem, please let me know down below in the comments, and thank you guys for listening. Bye.